to catch that taxi! But what about us?
We'll always have Central Park.
And I said I'd never leave you.
And you never will. What I've got to do, you can't be any part of. Here's looking at you, kid.
Mike, let's go!
Wait, what happened to you guys?
I can't believe you scored us tickets to the Tom Oliver stand-up tomorrow night.
Yeah, I know. You guys have missed out on so much fun for me.
You have the tickets, right?
Yeah, I got them right here. Hey, watch it, buddy.
What time does the show start again?
You saw them. I swear, I just had them. Someone must have stolen them.
Stu, it must have been the guy that bumped into you.
We need to get that bastard.
Okay, we need a game plan.
I got one. Everyone set a timer on your watch. We're going to split up, go our separate ways, and meet back at the corner of 34th and Park at midnight.
So, what happened?
At exactly 5:02 p.m.
At exactly 5:02 p.m., our beloved tickets stolen. The hearts of a couple kids just looking for a good time broken. Now, I'm on the case. A case with so many unknowns, I'm not sure if I'll crack it in time. And worst of all, in this city, everyone's a suspect.
But anyways, guys, I found out something crazy.
Crazy? Look, I may not have found the tickets, but I think I found something better.
Searching all around for a love that's true. All day and night, hoping to find you. Need a man by my side, one who's true, loyal, hard, strong and kind. Take my hand, love me right. Could it be I so bright? Are you my true love? Heart feels so right. Maybe so.
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
It can't be.
I'll stand by your side through every rough time.
But what if you lie? Will you say goodbye?
Yours alone, can't you see?
Can it be true?
Yes!
What can you do?
Anything you ask, I can do.
You're gonna have to show me your moves. Can you sing?
Yes, I can.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
One more time.
Okay, man.
Be my man.
Yes, I can.
Will you two jackasses pipe down?
Lame. That's nothing. I almost died. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Hello? Is anybody there? Oh my god, oh my god.
Let go of me! I said let go of me!
Is that what the cut's from?
Oh, this?
No, it's just ketchup.
Crazy stories for sure. But now, where are we headed?
Oh, we're not going anywhere.
Wait, what do you mean nowhere?
After tailing a few shady characters, I figured it out. The pickpocket, the one who swiped our tickets, is sitting
right in front of us.
Whoa. What are you talking about, lady?
Cut the act. I've known all along. And I confirmed it when you got jumpy when I mentioned the tickets. It all adds up. Now, hand them over.
Guess he barked up the wrong tree, huh?
Alright, I got a joke for you. This one is killer. You ready? What's cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese!
Yeah!